Hello, in front of me I've got Xioami 13. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Menu and search for File Manager app. As you can see, we've got two apps. One is File Manager provided by Xioami and the second is provided by Google. Both of them gives you access to internal storage divided to categories or internal storage itself. Also you can go to Menu where you can enable dark mode, remote, FTP, go to transfer files, perform deep clean, and that's basically it. If you go to files by Google, you've got access to your favorite save folder, also internal storage, nearby share thanks to which you can send and receive files, clean, and in Menu you can go to bin. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.